In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download and install free MP4 to MP3 converter on Windows computer and convert from MP4 to MP3 in few seconds. To download converter, go to search. In search, type Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store. In search, type VLC. Click on VLC app. Click on Install VLC app. Processing to download. Now downloading. Now installing. Installation has been finished. Close Microsoft Store. Go to search and type VLC. Open VLC media player. In privacy and network access policy, click on continue. Now click on media. Click on convert/save. Click on add icon here and select your video file. I am selecting the video file MP4 and click on open. The MP4 file has been added. Now click on convert/save. Under convert, you will find a drop down menu on profile. Click on the drop down menu and scroll down and select audio MP3. To save the file, on destination file, click on browse button and select the location where you want to save. I am selecting a folder. Click on open. Now type the file name and save as type will be MP3 and now click on save. The destination file has been added. Now click on start. MP4 file is converting into MP3. Conversion finished. Close VLC media player. Now I'm going to check. Go to File Explorer, go to Documents and go to Test folder. This is my converted audio file. Select the media player and click on OK. Contacts on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. The MP4 file is successfully converted into MP3. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.